For this lesson, for this experiment rather, you're going to use one of the yellow motors, a potentiometer, and a switch. You're going to plug in the potentiometer so that it is in E10, E11, and E12. Plug in your 5-volt line into A10 and going from the motor wire A11, that's the red motor wire. The black motor wire is going into A20. Okay. And there's a switch. You're going to put the switch in E20, E21, E22. And your ground wire is going to go from A21 to ground. And what should happen is when you flip the switch, your motor is going to turn on. But check this out. The potentiometer, if you slowly, very slowly turn it down, you'll see the motor start to slow down too. Okay, so that's what a potentiometer does. It increases resistance. So when there's an increase in resistance, what happens to the motor? When I decrease resistance, what happens to the motor? So wire that up, take lots of pictures, and upload a short video to Flipgrid.